While being in Shimla, if you want to escape from the hustle and bustle of the crowded Shimla city, friends, then there are two famous temples which you can definitely reach out and visit, which has a meditative atmosphere which soothes your mind and majestic mountains at its backdrop. Then you must visit these two places which we are covering in our today's episode. Let me unravel these two places for all of you friends, so that once you are in Shimla, you can also visit those two places which are not only a beautiful spiritual journey, but at the same time beautiful backdrop of nature you can see in the surroundings. Dedicated to Lord Hanuman, the first one in the list is being Sankat Mochan Temple, friends.
So this is the Sankat Mochan Temple. You have facility to wash your hand over here. And you can see devotees are all coming in to take the blessings. Jai!
As we enter to this temple, first you can take blessings from Lord Ganesha here, friends. Friends, in 1950, when Nim Karori Baba Maharaj came to this serene and enchanting place for meditation, he was so impressed with the beauty of this place that he decided to build a Hindu temple on the same location.
So this is one of the most beautiful temple in Shimla. It's called as the Sankat Mochan Temple.
So Nim Karori Baba, along with his followers and governor of Himachal Pradesh, shouldered the responsibility of setting up the temple on priority, and they started the construction around 1962. Finally, from 1966, 21st June, the temple was open for public. See friends, you can enjoy the panoramic view of the valley, unforgettable moments here, and witness the widespread city of Shimla. Friends, Lord Hanuman is worshipped by all sectors of Hindu. He is a universal god known as a popular devotee of Lord Rama. He helped enable Rama to rescue Sita Devi and defeat Ravana in the war, which is documented in the epic Ramayana, friends. He is a symbol of success and fulfillment. If you need courage, strength, intelligence, commitment, purity to be successful, then Lord Hanuman is to be worshipped for.
So Hope you got a good glimpse of the temple. And this is the prasad that is being provided in this particular temple. So this is a sweet delicacy that generally being offered to the devotees. And you can see here, Jewel is also having a great time.
This is one of the famous temple if you are heading to Shimla. So Sankat Mochan Hanuman Temple. Inside you have Ram Sita idol, also Shiva idol, Lord Shiva idol, Ganesha idol, and of course Hanuman is. Hanuman gets courage from his father, Hanuman gets strength and purity from his father, intelligence from his mother, and commitment from his guru, Surya. So come what may, the sun rises every day in the morning. Hanuman is known by different names and worshipped.
So this is the exit gate and we are heading out. Very nice.
Very good.
Wonderful.
Friends, the next destination where we are taking you through is the Tara Devi Temple, located on the peak adjacent to Shimla, which believed to fulfill every wishes. Its distance of around 11 kilometers from Shimla city. Quite old temple, friends. Every year millions of people come here to seek the blessings of the Mother Tara. What is interesting for us to find out, friends, that around 250 years ago, Ma Tara was brought to Shimla from West Bengal. A ruler of the Sen period brought the idol of Mother Tara from Bengal to Shimla. Imagine. As far as the construction is concerned, King Bhupendra Sen built the temple for Mother and believed that once Bhupendra Sen went hunting in the dense forest of Tara Devi. During the time when he saw Mother Tara, and Lord Hanuman expressed her desire that she wants to settle in this place so that devotees can come here and see her easily. After this, king started building a temple here. There are always stories associated with every construction of a temple in Himachal, friends. Interesting, isn't it? By the way, one has to take a lot of steps, friends, to reach to the actual temple, but don't miss out the excellent view and the location with beautiful valleys around the hill here, friends. It is one of the most famous sightseeing places in Shimla and has a divine atmosphere that attracts locals as well as huge crowd of tourists during festival seasons. One thing I can tell you, friends, this temple is surrounded by a mesmerizing view of the mountains, pine forest, lush greenery. The tranquil setting of this temple makes you forget everything about your day-to-day worries of life. So it's only around 11-kilometer drive from the Shimla city and a must visit in my list if you are visiting to Shimla, friends.
So we have to open our shoes here.
This is not only a religious place but not less than a paradise for experience and the nature lovers. The temple has interesting structure, friends. Here inside the temple, doors and wooden structure carefully designed with the miniatures of goddesses. Other than that, also one can see heavy usage of gold and silver in the sacred place. We however could not take you inside because photography was not allowed.
So photography is prohibited in this temple from the inside, but as you can see, this video is taken from the outside.
We almost reached here in the evening time, friends. Soak up the eminent beauty, breathe in the clean and fresh air, and took a stroll to explore the peaceful countrysides at its backdrop.
And you can see the entire city of Shimla from here.
We could relax and rejuvenate our senses under the shadow of nature here, friends. A perfect place to visit during summers as well as in the winters if you are in Shimla. So Mayuri take you all through a spiritual journey today, friends. Let me know how did you like this video. If you have liked, give your like, comment and share this video to reach out to many people. And if you are coming first time to the channel, please join us by subscribing the channel, hit the bell icon notification to get all the updates and the notification. You all are with us in our Shimla series, friends. Come back to the next episode and see what are the places that I take you through. Places which one can easily visit from Shimla. Shimla is the main city and from there are many other beautiful locations what one can explore. Don't forget to join us back. Till then, take care. I will see you in the other side of my next video.